Hey, are you looking for good quality earbuds under $50 from Aliexpress? I have fixed the earbuds of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the earbuds are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the earbud is Texnano F9 wireless earbud. Recently this earbud price is $10.49. It can be used on any mobile phone that supports Bluetooth function regardless of model and brand. It has 4 large capacity charging cabin and they can be used for the earphone storage boxes and charging for earphones or mobile phone holders. You can enjoy immersive 8D stereo sound effects and enjoy hi-fi sound. It has one upgraded LED power display. You can know the electricity level of the charging cabin and the headset at a glance. You have to do just one touch to switch the previous next song and volume adjustment and wake up Siri. It also has an intelligent induction chip, which prevents accidental touch. It shows real electric quantity where many Bluetooth headsets on the market show a fake electric quantity. It has one key touch control which is more comfortable without oppression, where press key control is complicated and wears discomfort. This earbud has a clear voice capture 8.0 intelligent noise reduction system, so that you can enjoy high-definition call effects without being affected by noisy environments. Its sensitivity is about 93 decibels and it is a great device for gaming. It has a 1200 mAh charging case. It also has replaceable pads set. Its ear cups are semi-open type. Its impedance range is up to 32 decibels. It is waterproof. It has a neodymium type magnet. Its vocalism principle is dynamic. Its frequency response range is about 20 to 22,000 Hz. It is a great active noise cancellation wireless device with 2 drivers. In at number 4, the earbud is Ugreen CM338 wireless earbud. Now, this earbud price is $19.44. It adopts advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology and Qualcomm QCC 3020 chip. It ensures a stable connection and high-fidelity sound. Its dynamic drivers deliver crisp, rich, authentic, immersive music. It also has built-in micro-electrical mechanical system microphones and clear voice capture 8.0 noise-canceling technology and supports aptX, AAC, SBC for lossless audio transmission. It has micro-electrical mechanical system microphones and clear voice capture noise-canceling technology which effectively reduces the environmental noises and enhances your voice. It also has a sealed-in-ear ergonomic design, which brings you a noise isolation effect for clearer sound and ensures high-quality music and crystal-clear phone calls even in a noisy background. It effectively reduces the environmental noises and enhances your voice. It offers 9 hours of playtime from a single charge and an extra 18 hours with the portable charging case for a total of 27 hours plus listening. It has a USB-C quick charge which enables 2 hours of full charge for the charging case. It allows 2 hours of listening by only 15 minutes of charging. Its ergonomic earbuds provide a snug and secure fit for the majority of ears which greatly disperse pressure. It will keep you concern-free about falling out. It features a multi-functional touchscreen. It's perfect for workout, running, outdoor sports. It has a one-step setting to pair the earbuds with your phone. Once you take the earbuds out of the charging case, they will connect with your smartphone automatically. It supports touch control to pause or play and switch songs, answer or reject calls. It also supports active voice assistant freely with the same operations in mono and twin mode. It weighs about 11 grams. In at number 3, the earbud is Bluedio Hi-Fi wireless earbud. Already this earbud price is $22.91. It has the new generation of Bluetooth 5.0 chip, lower power consumption, and it is more stable to use. It gives a wonderful gaming experience with almost no delay. It also has a larger 6mm driver to bring you better bass and clear sound quality. You can also experience the Machina Bluedio Particle Blue phone while enjoying music. It creates a more elegant and high-end look by using a strict drawing process, and you will feel something different wearing it to enjoy wonderful music on high-end occasions. It gives about 10-hour listening time on one charge and up to 45-hour listening time with additional 4 times charges in the case. It has a 650 mAh charging case. It supports most audio transmission formats, less restriction. It adopts face recognition technology and plays music when you wear headphones and stops the music when you take off earphones, to help save battery. It greatly disperses pressure and perfects to play along, which relieves us from concerns about earbuds from falling out. It can help you locate an accurate enemy position in-game. Enjoy the stereo when watching movies. It can effectively prevent the damage caused by water splash and have 3 sizes that are suitable for different people. It has silicone earplugs and memory foam earplugs, which makes it more comfortable to wear. Its vocalism principle is dynamic. It is an in-ear device. Its sensitivity is about 110 decibels. Its frequency response is 20 to 20,000 Hz and Bluetooth protocol is version 5.0. It is an in-ear wearing type device. It has a dynamic control button and also has active noise cancellation. And at second place, the earbud is Soundpeat True Air 2 Wireless Earbud. Now, this earbud price is $36.79. It has the latest Qualcomm 3040 chip and Bluetooth 5.2 technology with optimized Bluetooth transmission, flawless connection, and enhanced sound to give you the best experience. It has 75% more stable Bluetooth connection with dual mic and clear voice capture 8.0 noise cancellation, which ensures clear calls along with dual earbud without any disruption. It has a dual mic in each earbud where one captures your voice in the best way. The other reduces the ambient noise around to make the perfect conference call, online courses, and video or voice chat for you. You can use this in your indoor or outdoor regular life. It's upgraded on true wireless stereo. The 2 earbuds balance consumption by the advanced true wireless mirroring technology and even under poor radio frequency. It improves connection stability to provide seamless and reliable audio transmission with low consumption. It has a 14.2mm bio-compound diaphragm driver and aptX codec which precisely parse the details and restore realistic sound to pass a wonderful experience. It also has 5 hours of playtime in one charge and 4 recharges by charging case to have a perfect and enjoyable leisure time. It gives you long-time wearing support without any discomfort. It provides 12 months hassle-free warranty to ensure the enjoyment of your purchase. Its frequency response range is 20 to 20,000 Hz and the maximum working range is about 33 feet, if there is no obstacle in between. And at number 1, the earbud is Nillkin Go TW004 True Wireless Earbuds. Recently this earbud price is $39. It has a global, professional Realtek chipset and owns fast and stable transmission without tangling. It also has a truly wireless design with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and upgraded truly wireless technology, which is only for phones with Qualcomm 845 or up. It lets you connect either with the left earbud or the right earbud. It can allow you to use one earbud at a time while the other earbuds will be off, which helps you to save battery and which extends the playtime. This earbud has a built-in high-professional Qualcomm 3020 chipset with aptX and clear voice capture noise-canceling technology. Its in-ear headphones deliver a crystal-clear listening experience for both phone calls and music. Its aptX audio codec streams high-performance sound which is rich, clear, and perfectly defined without distortion, like pure CD sound. It has multi-function touch control-enabled controls which allows you to easily manage your audio and calls, controlling play or pause, power on and off, answer and reject the call, and Siri with a simple touch. It has a built-in IPX5 waterproofing level, which is ideal for sweating it out at the gym or singing in the rain. It has 3 different sized ear tips and each ear tip weighs 0.6 gram only, which gives a comfortable and snug fit and makes it sport wireless earphones. It is a built-in ultra-low energy consumption button cell. Nillkin wireless earbuds which can last for about 13 hours of playtime in 50% volume from a single charge and a total of 65 hours with the compact charging case. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.